Hey there, welcome to Tim Talks Cooking. I'm Tim, and today I'm making yet another delicious keto smoothie with perfect macros. Check this out. Today we're going to make a chocolate milkshake smoothie that has no sugar, that has about the same amount of calories as your normal breakfast would. This is for a meal replacement, but it's got really perfect keto macros, right? Low protein, low net carbs, only 5 net carbs, big serving, a lot of fat that you can actually vary as you will. Let's get started. First, we need a cup of water. That's 250 milliliters or 8 ounces. Next, a medium avocado, about 150 grams, which is about a cup or so of avocado. Also, 2 tablespoons of cream of coconut. This is one of my favorite smoothie ingredients. It's just luxurious, I think. Half a tablespoon of refined coconut oil for some really good healthy fat. And 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa. Really doesn't take any more than that to make this delicious and chocolatey. And to enhance the flavor of the chocolate, I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And as always, a half a teaspoon of instant coffee. Your smoothie isn't going to come out tasting like coffee. It's still going to have a really great chocolate flavor. Let's add in some sweetener. I'm adding in 1.5 tablespoons of homemade sweetener. I'll put the link on the screen. You use the sweetener of your choice to taste, of course. Next, to make it nice and thick, we're going to add in a cup, that's 250 milliliters or 8 ounces, of ice cubes. And that's pretty much it. Just put the lid back on, and there we go. Here I'll just show you how creamy and thick it is. Look at how that piles up nicely in the glass. Isn't that gorgeous? Silicone straw, and breakfast is served. Well, all right, the moment of truth is at hand. Let's give it a taste. Oh man. Wow, that is so good. Listen, let me tell you what. If you were thinking chocolate and avocado, I don't know. Don't worry about it. It's absolutely delicious. This is just like a chocolate milkshake. You got to try this. Before we go, let's talk macros. For calories, for this entire 24-ounce portion, that's 750 milliliters, 384 calories. Not bad, right, for a meal replacement. 5 grams net carbs. Only 5 grams of net carbs. 42 grams of fat. That's good, healthy fat. You want a little less fat? Leave out the coconut oil. Yeah? And only 4.5 grams of protein, which you can catch back up on at lunch or at dinner. Listen, thanks so much for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking. Before you go, please don't forget to like, share on Facebook especially, comment right here below, and subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow, and it helps you find my videos. Thanks so much for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking. We'll catch you next time.